Hey everybody, how are you? This is Miss Yount, and I just wanted to say we're going over this PowerPoint again because this week, once again, we're not going to have any coursework that's going to be due this week. So I just wanted to briefly go over the PowerPoint. You should have gone over this today. I'm recording this on August 8th. And I'm going to post this tomorrow, and then on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, be on the lookout for another PowerPoint. But for tomorrow, like I said, we're just going slow this week because we're still doing all of the STAR testing. All right, so we're going to be doing STAR testing in the mornings and the afternoons on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Orientation is tonight, August 8th. And then if you can get to that survey all about me, that's great. But if not, again, this is not for a grade. I'm just taking this as an informal kind of gauge or informal survey on how my students are doing and what they're interested in. So the daily targets are to try to locate the OMHS. It stands for Online Middle and High School. Make sure that you can kind of check out that daily schedule. And then also I'm going to review the schedule with you, how we go about that. And then you're going to become familiar, hopefully, with this PowerPoint and today with the different activities. We had a Jamboard link. I don't know if you had a chance to get to that. But again, we're going to just review quickly the PowerPoint schedule, your course in the online middle school, grades, and other items. So this is going to be the format that we use every day. There's going to be a mini lesson, a check for understanding, the guided practice, another check, and then independent practice, closing, and things to know. So this is the daily procedures list. And I'm going to try to get your PowerPoints uploaded by every Friday for you to review. Mini lessons, these are going to be in your online middle school. So one thing I wanted you to try to do is make sure that you can find your calendar in the online middle school, and then review the class syllabus. Make sure that you're familiar with the syllabus as well. So the best way to reach me is always going to be through email. We haven't had a chance, all of us, to set up our work phones yet. So still, that's going to be the best way to get a hold of me, and the best way to reach me. And then once again, that's eyount at gadca.org. So, and then I had you work on locating that. Seventh grade, the first unit is the benefits of reading, and we'll start with reading Three Brass Pennies. And then eighth grade is going to be life stories and Barrio Boy. And I've already heard a lot of comments as far as the quiz, a lot of issues accessing. So we'll probably just make that for a participation grade, or I'm going to see how many students are having issues locating that quiz before I take a grade for it. Once again, communication is vital, so make sure that you communicate with me. I'm trying to get together Share and Tell also. These are a couple of my old students that I'm still in touch with. So please, I've already had a couple students send, but I'm missing some PowerPoints, some pictures. So please feel free to share anything about yourself to eyount@gadca.org. And then finally, let's see, we're now going to check out the breakout rooms. We haven't done that. I'm not going to go over that right now. But hopefully you've learned something new today. Make sure to make good choices. And once again, if you have any lingering questions, please go ahead and email me to eyount@gadca.org. Bye, guys. Have a great day testing. I'll see you soon, okay?